Life, skill, and fun are three essential aspects that make our lives meaningful and fulfilling. In this video, we will explore how developing skills and embracing fun experiences can enhance the quality of our lives. Life is a journey full of opportunities to learn and grow. By acquiring new skills, we can open doors to new possibilities and enrich our lives in countless ways. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or honing a technical skill, developing expertise in a particular area not only expands our knowledge, but also boosts our confidence and self-esteem. Skills also play a crucial role in shaping our careers and professional success. The more proficient we are in a specific skill set, the more likely we are to excel in our chosen field. This could mean the difference between just getting by and truly thriving in our careers, allowing us to pursue our passions and achieve our professional goals. But life is not just about work and productivity. It's equally important to find joy and fulfillment in the activities we enjoy. That's where fun comes in. Engaging in fun and lighthearted activities provides a much-needed break from the everyday hustle and bustle, allowing us to recharge and rejuvenate. Moreover, having fun brings people together, fostering connections and creating lasting memories. Whether it's exploring new hobbies, embarking on thrilling adventures, or simply enjoying the company of loved ones, fun experiences enrich our lives and bring a sense of joy and excitement. Incorporating fun into our lives also promotes overall well-being. Laughter, relaxation, and playfulness are essential for reducing stress and promoting a positive outlook. By embracing fun experiences, we can alleviate the pressures of daily life and savor the simple moments that bring us happiness. In conclusion, life, skill, and fun are interconnected elements that contribute to our overall happiness and fulfillment. By continuously developing our skills, we can unlock new opportunities and achieve success in both our personal and professional lives. Additionally, by embracing fun experiences, we can find joy, build connections, and nurture our well-being. So let's make a commitment to invest in our skills, seek out new experiences, and infuse our lives with a sense of fun and enjoyment. By doing so, we can create a life that is abundant in richness, purpose, and happiness.